How to redeem a Spotify gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch any web browser on your device. For demo, let's open Google Chrome. And then you need to open the web version of Spotify. So let's open a new tab and then tap on the search bar. Type in www.spotify.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now make sure to log into your Spotify account. Click on the gear icon at top right corner of your screen. And then you need to click on the profile, or instead select the view account button. Then on this section you need to scroll down, locate redeem option and tap on redeem button. Now you need to enter your premium code for the gift card and check the box for I'm not the robot at bottom left. Then click continue to apply the balance and then your Spotify premium will be activated and you will successfully redeem Spotify gift card online. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.